Hello everybody. Now this is one live case study on this Seagate 5400.6. So this one very common Seagate hard drives, and when we try to access to the data arrow, and we can find this is one partial sector access pension hard drive, and we can see that this is the first bad location. That means after this LBA, all the data arrow is not accessible. Now we are using one very powerful and helpful function from the DFL Seagate firmware repair tool, and we can see that the program is repairing this partial sector access automatically. Now the first bad location is this LBA. We can see that this is about 90 GB data which is accessible. Now after this bad location is added to the engine list successfully, we can find out the next LBA has been more. Now that means much more data has been accessible. Now we can see everything is done automatically to fix this partial sector access issue. Now we can see it has been 190 and this is 180. So the LBA is becoming bigger and bigger. That means more and more data will be released. So this function is very helpful, and users can come here, defects management and translator operations, and use this option, regenerate translator LM. Anyway, within this function, users can find the LM and not LM two options. Because this is not LM pensioned Seagate hard drive, so users just use the default one and not LM. And this one is usually detected automatically, so users can simply check it and simply click start process, and then the auto repair starts. It's very simple. Users just need to check the log window, and after the log window output, the repairing completes, then users can power off and power on, and then all the data will be accessible. Thank you for watching this video.